Hey, greetings folks. Now during the workshop we did a segment on shadow magic and psychic self-defense. So I want to cover a little bit of theory about that. Now if you want to hire a bodyguard, someone to protect you, they've got to be able to pull out their gun and shoot when they need to protect you. And you want to find the strongest badass you possibly can to do that. You're not going to hire your doctor, you're not going to hire your counselor, you're not going to hire a healer, you're not going to hire someone who makes you feel good and hugs you. You want someone who's capable of shooting and killing your enemy if they try to shoot and kill you. So this is kind of obvious. Now let's say you wanted to learn self-defense. Would you go to your doctor, healer, therapist to learn self-defense? No, you go to a badass who knows how to defend themselves and has been in battle and can teach you about battle. Now let's say the same applies to the spiritual world. Can a being of light protect you, that make you feel good and do healing and act as a therapist and teach you how to release your mind and be a good person? No, they can't. Only a badass can protect you from other badasses. And who are they? Well, wrathful deities. If you look at the wrathful deities in Buddhism, they're demons who have bodhisattva vows. If you look at the wrathful deities in front of temples, they might be animal spirits that are extremely ferocious and powerful. Now, when I invoke a spirit to teach technology on psychic self-defense, who am I going to call? A badass. I'm going to invoke the strongest, toughest demon around to get the best information for you to practice how to defend yourself. The healer is not going to be able to help you. The counselor is not going to be able to help you. The Buddhist beings who teach the Dharmas to release aren't going to be able to help you. Only the wrathful, powerful beings can protect you. That's the law of resonance. So during the workshop, there were several students whose clairvoyance was awake, and they noticed that I had summoned a demon into my body to teach the information everyone needed. Congratulations to those people who saw that, because that would be 100% correct. When you become immune to the frequencies of the sun sphere through Akasha, the archangels interact with you and the archdemons also interact with you, and you become immune to both. So when you need to do something in one side of the spectrum, they're at your service. When you need to do something at the other side of the spectrum, they are also at your service. Understanding this principle, this lawfulness, which regulates, go to the right place for the right information, super, super important. Don't go to your doctor to learn how to defend yourself. Okay, so I'm very happy that those who had those experiences were able to see what was happening. Well done. That means the course is going well and people's clairvoyance was awakening really well. I'm happy with that. Thanks for your time. I hope this makes sense. Of course, that workshop is slowly going online onto Vimeo. It's the Marshall Man and Mystery College available for sale. So you can view those videos about shadow magic and psychic self-defense yourself if you wish. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.